Silent Valley. Silent Valley National Park is located in the Nilgiri Hills, Palakkad district of Kerala. The park is one of the last undisturbed tracts of southwestern Ghats rainforests and tropical moist evergreen forests in India. It is the core of the Nilgiri International Biosphere Reserve and is part of the Western Ghats World Heritage Site. The area is locally known as Sairandri Vanam. Literally in Malayalam, it means Sairandri's forest. According to Hindu mythology, Pandavas during their exile wandered into Kerala and came upon this magical valley. Botanist Robert White in 1847 made the first English investigation of the watersheds of the Silent Valley area. The British named the area as Silent Valley because of the apparent absence of noisy insects. Another story attributes the name to the Anglicization of Sairandri. A third story refers to the untouched nature of the valley that is without human noises. Silent Valley is home to the largest population of the lion-tailed macaque, which is an endangered species of primate. The Silent Valley National Park is a unique preserve of natural rainforests. It houses a rich variety of habitats. Out of these springs the amazing variety of life forms, some of which are prevalent in the Western Ghats. The Kuntipuda River drains the entire 15-kilometer length of the park from north to south into the Bharatapuda River. The river is characterized by its crystal clear and perennial nature. The number of tree species calculated for the Silent Valley is very high compared to a range of 60 to 140 species that characterize the other known tropical forests. The Mudugar and Irula tribal people are native to the area and they live in the adjacent valley of Atappadi Reserved Forest. Also, the Kurumbar people occupy the highest range outside the park bordering on the Nilgiris. The limited studies of the fauna of the Silent Valley reveals that its rich resources are rare and unique. Rare because many species which originally inhabited the entire belt of the Western Ghats have been lost due to destruction of their habitat by human beings. These faunal resources, however, are still available in Silent Valley because of the relatively little human intrusion. It is unique because what little has been collected and studied has already proved to be of immense scientific interest from the geographic and ecological points of view. A number of species which were available in the Western Ghats 50 to 100 years ago still exist in Silent Valley. They include insects, fishes, amphibians, reptiles and mammals. Up to 1970, it was an unknown forest area, unexplored and untouched. Announcement against a hydroelectric project proposed in the area resulted in the creation of the park in 1984. Since then, a long-term conservation effort has been undertaken to preserve the Silent Valley ecosystem. In order to ensure better protection of the area, a buffer zone of the park was created and made an integral part of the Silent Valley National Park. Now there are two zones for Silent Valley, the core zone and the buffer zone. The core zone is protected and wildlife is undisturbed. Only Forest Department staff, scientists and wildlife photographers are allowed. The story of Silent Valley National Park is the struggle and thought for environmental protection in the country. The struggle for protecting the valley proved that human beings still care for nature.